4. Facilitate bowel movement. Fiber is very important in your diet as it prevents constipation, thanks to the insoluble oat bran that forms the outer layer of the grain, and oat bran adds large amounts to your stools and retains enough water to facilitate its passage. And if you are just starting to add oat bran to your diet, it is best to gradually increase the amount. It takes some time for you to adapt to it, and it is likely that eating too much of it in one meal will cause you the constipation you are trying to treat. 1. A healthy dose of antioxidants. Antioxidants are important because they combine with harmful free radicals in the body and eliminate them, and there are many antioxidants, but oatmeal is rich in a type called polyphenols. In other words, it contains a type of polyphenol called avenanthramides. Avenanthromide is believed to reduce blood pressure because it promotes the production of nitrogen monoxide, which is responsible for dilating blood vessels to improve blood flow, to improving cholesterol and sugar levels. The site indicated that eating fiber is important for the health of the digestive system in general, and oats contain a large amount of a special type of fiber called beta-glucan, which is partially soluble fiber when eaten. Food that creates a thick layer of jelly in the intestine. Studies have shown that regular consumption of beta-glucan contributes to reducing low-density lipoprotein bad cholesterol, as well as whole-body cholesterol, and reduces blood sugar. Beta-glucan supports the health of the good bacteria in your gut, not to mention that it helps you feel full for longer. 3. Lose weight better. There is no magic formula that enables you to lose weight, but eating foods that make you feel full without gaining weight can help you reach your goal, and this is something that oats will help you with.